Good morning, everybody. On behalf of Acting President Mr. George Verghese and Managing Committee, I would like to welcome Madam Mahra Al-Maghri, Manager, MOCD Abu Dhabi, our Patent Governor Mr. K. Muralidharan, other governors of the ISC, former presidents, secretaries, and well-wishers of ISC and members. I welcome all of you for this 75th Independence Day flag hosting ceremony. We will be having our cultural program this evening at 7:30 on virtual platform. I request all of you to join that program also in this evening. With your permission, I request our Honorary Acting President Mr. George Verghese for flag hosting. Thank you. Jai Hind. I request the President for the presidential address. National anthem, please.
Respected Mrs. Mahra Al-Maghri, who is the Minister of MOCD, our patron governor, Mr. Muralidharan, General Governors, past Management Committee Presidents and General Secretaries, my fellow Managing Committee members, distinguished guests. Good morning and happy 75th Independence to all of you. On the tantalizing morning this day, with patriotic fervor and pride, each Indian fills his heart with immense respect and love for his motherland. Being the citizens of India, each year on this day, one unfolds the hues of saffron, pure white, and the divine green with salutes and tribute. First, back it was on this day of 1947 that the Indian Independence Day, along with its government, came into being. On this very day, the Indian Independence Act was finally declared in our great nation. Unrolling the Indian tricolor in the nation's capital, our leaders made beautiful memories with a vibrant, radiating love for the nation. The specialty of this day, as you all are aware, is the celebration of the independence on the 35th anniversary, and to commemorate all the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our comfort by getting our nation independent from the clutches of the colonists. Due to this, we have parades in all the major areas of India who pay tribute to all the freedom fighters and to the armed forces who each day protect us and secure us from the antagonists. The independence was a well-earned one, as we had fought for our freedom for almost 200 years, and the real movement started in the year 1857. Until we could unfold our tricolor flag at Lahore Gate, located in Red Fort in 1947. On the 12th of March this year, our beloved Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, he launched a program that is the India at 75, or Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This was to showcase the 75 weeks of celebrations that we will be doing since then till the upcoming Independence Day. That is the 75 years of celebrations that we Indians will be celebrating. And ISC was also part of it since then, and based on this we will be actually having various events in the upcoming months. Even this evening, we will be having a virtual program on the cultural events from different regions of our country, and we will be doing it through the virtual platform. And the chief guest for the event will be our chairman, Padma Shri, Dr. Yusuf Ali MA. At last, I would like to end my speech with a note of gratefulness, gratitude, and tribute to all the noble personalities on this righteous day. Thank you, and Jai Hind.
As we said that in the evening we will have the cultural program, I would like to just recognize the guest principal of Indian School, ILA President. All our present here. Thank you, madam. Now, you know that we are going through a COVID pandemic situation. So we have two members we identified from last March 2020. They were actively in the front line for the COVID volunteership services, which is none other than our member, Mr. ACM Biran and Mr. Muhammad Yusuf. We take this opportunity to congratulate them, and we will be giving them an award, which we will be giving in the ground floor in front of our Gandhi's statue by Madam. So with this, I invite all of you to join for the breakfast in the restaurant, which is newly opened last week. So thank you very much. Thank you everyone for joining with us.